Let's try to solve Minute Cryptic. Let's go. Broadcaster's question. Is Jamie Oliver completely naked? I don't know. Ano ang definition dito? Naked? Completely naked? Pag naked, I think naked is an indicator pero hindi ko alam kung anong indicator. Completely naked. Kainis kasi one par lang tapos gagamitan ko ng hint parang gusto ko may challenge. Wow. Teka lang, meron akong nakita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so feel ko naked, so tatanggalin yung mga outer letters ng word. So dito si Jamie Oliver, tatanggalin natin si J and E. Sa Oliver naman si O at R. So ang matitira is A, M, I, L, I, V, E. Ay, E. Am I live? Am I live? Alright. Nice. Let's go.